Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and today we are going to take all of your pain away. Well, not really. But I do have a remedy that works as a painkiller. So hear me out. So you know those days where you decide to become a sailor, but then you get sick and then you don't have any medicine in your cabinet, but you do have all the ingredients for a pina colada? Yeah, me neither. But if you were ever in that situation, boy, do I have the cure for you. Today's remedy is called Painkiller Prescriptive, and it is a distant relative to the pina colada. So if you like pina coladas, chances are you'll like this one too. I've never actually had a pina colada before, but this recipe sounds pretty tasty. I think the only difference between a pina colada and this recipe is the addition of orange juice, and the fact that it uses over 90 proof rum. So I didn't really understand what proof meant in terms of alcohol, so I actually thought that it meant that there are rums out there that are 90% alcohol. And now that I think about it, that does sound kind of sketch. Either way, I went to LCBO and picked up the highest percentage rum that I could find. After some Googling, I realized that proof is actually double the amount of alcohol percentage. So for example, most rums are 40% alcohol, therefore it is 80 proof. So the one that I managed to pick up is 63% alcohol, so that is 126 proof. So I mean, technically, the recipe just asked for something that was over 90 proof, so this qualifies. But yeah, I don't know if this will improve the effects of this remedy or just give me a whole different type of pain. But I guess I'll find out today. So without further ado, let's craft our Painkiller Prescriptive. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 3 ounces of Navy strength rum, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, 1 ounce cream of coconut, and freshly grated nutmeg for garnish. Alright, so first grab a Boston shaker. Combine rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, and cream of coconut. Fill the shaker 3/4 full with ice and shake for about 30 seconds. Fill a glass with crushed ice and strain your concoction. Lastly, top off with fresh grated nutmeg. And ta-da! The Painkiller Prescriptive is complete. Taste test time. So the whole idea behind this drink is that the citrus provides you with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. The coconut cream provides potassium, the nutmeg rouses appetite, and the high proof rum will knock you out, so you don't feel anything. Just kidding. It's supposed to warm and soothe the mind and body, which could technically be the same thing. Anyway, cheers! Yeah, it's quite strong. It doesn't taste bad though. I mean, the orange juice and the pineapple juice obviously taste good together. This isn't too sweet, but it's still enjoyable. And the freshly grated nutmeg adds a nice touch as well. It is really strong though. It's definitely mostly rum. I don't taste the coconut much, but it adds a nice creaminess, which I like. I'm definitely afraid to drink too much of this because I don't want to be knocked out. I wonder if you have to drink the whole glass of it to work. I am not going to test that though, because fear is real. It's not like I'm in pain, so it's not like I need it. My stomach is definitely getting very warm though. But overall, not bad. I'm actually kind of curious how strong the rum is on its own. All right, I dare myself. Cheers. Wow, this is so much creamier after drinking that. This actually tastes a lot better after drinking that. Yeah, that was very strong. You can definitely have some intense parties with this one. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and let me know what type of pain you'd like to erase with this remedy. As usual, if you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. And until then, class is dismissed. Stay magical!